Hello, Mercedes collectors. We have another Choro-Q here from the Modern Mercedes collection, but this is an old collection. I was looking at the back of this thing, and it says 2006 somewhere. Where did it say it? There, right there, copyright 2006. Okay, so I'm assuming this is a 2006 A-Class, which these photos are of. Even if it's... oh, this is apparently used, because this has already been opened. Hopefully it hasn't been abused. We shall find out. Okay. That's a lot of plastic. Oh, well, maybe these are sold at Mercedes dealerships and people expect that. Looking from the front, that looks pretty close. There's no fog lights or anything, but I think it looks alright. The funny thing is, this real car in real life looks kind of cartoonish, so this Choro-Q doesn't look that odd, you know, because the real car is so small as it is. Alright, let's get a closer look. We got a nice metallic, it looks like. Well, you know, it looks like the paint might not be metallic. It might be silver and then painted a maroon clear coat, because I don't see any sort of flakes in the paint. Maybe you do? I don't know. But it's definitely got a shininess to it. You know, I kind of feel like there's two paints going on. Underneath, I'm just looking. It looks like is that the interior piece? I guess yellow or off-white up there. Oh, yeah, that's because that is the interior piece. There's like a steering wheel popping through, and that's got to cover up the motor, so not much of a seat there, but an attempt. And look at this. There's a little latch, so that sunroof opens. That's pretty neat. Didn't expect that at all. It's a toy, right? So, but it's so... yeah, I guess it is recessed. It was hard to even see the fact that it's recessed because it's clear. Alright, well, anyways, the front end. Yeah, it says Mercedes MB 2006 on the plate, which is cool. They have something there. And then silver paint here. The fluid ejectors for the headlights. Molded detail. The headlights are detailed really nice. There's no clear lens. This is literally molded. You can hear the pick going over the bumps and stuff. But it's very effective. It looks like a bunch of headlights, even though it doesn't have a clear piece of plastic over it. So it's an interesting way to go about doing so. The Benz star is nice, and there's also like a black paint wash or something in the grooves. This is less nice. This doesn't really look like a Mercedes emblem to me. But oh well. A little bit of contaminant there. The blackout of the window molding seems okay. Okay. Kind of cloudy windows, it looks like. And then these wheels, they don't exactly match the photos I pulled up, but I'm pretty sure they must have come with wheels like this. I find the Mercedes collection, they have specific wheels to their castings. And then these are pullback toys if you've never heard of ChoroQs before. The wheel gap is a bit gappier than the photo it looks like, but it's not atrocious. I'm going to leave it alone. You could always just remove them and use poster putty if you want to lower the thing, but what's nice is there's silver paint here in the molding and on the door handles, and then there's black for the window molding on the side. And then you got clear taillights that look really cool. Red, the white, and possibly some orange right there. Little Mercedes there, which is kind of smart that it's clear because you can then see the license plate again, so that's nice. And then there's a third brake light here. It looks like could be a little red in there as well. Yeah, a decent shot of the interior. And then you got this tiny, really rubbery antenna, so that's nice. It won't break off very easily, and yet it's pretty thin. So that's pretty cool. I like that. Going on the bottom, it's color-coded as well. So see, it looks like it's silver with a red clear coat on it. 06, yeah, and then standard construction with a screw in the front and this tab here in the back. So it's a really nice rendition in cartoon form of the real car, I think. The only flaw or blemish would be maybe right here. There's a little extra silver paint. And what is that actually? Maybe that's like a blemish too. But otherwise, it's pretty nice. Well, for something so old, I'm pretty happy. I mean, I can't really find another one easily. Let's take a look at a few other Choro-Q Benzes here. I don't have a 1/64 scale A class, so we're just going to stick with Choros today. One of my earlier ChoroQs A classes is this guy here. It's a Yokohama tire one. You'll see it actually has Yokohama printed on the tire, but it's pretty old, so what's it say here? Oh, 99, yeah, so maybe that's when Yokohama K2s came out. I 3D printed my own little wheels. I think these are called Chevy Turbo wheels. And then it's just got painted on tail lights, some sort of Japanese text there, Yokohama stuff, so painted on stuff. Definitely an improvement over the years with this guy here. It's basically a completely different mold, because actually if you look at it, it looks shorter. Let me line these up here on the front end. We'll go the vertical. See, the maroon car looks a lot shorter. So they went and redid the whole mold. You know, they had the sunroof and stuff, and the clear windows. So this is a multi-piece body. This is all one body, just painted. That's what I think. Okay, from the same Mercedes collection is this E-Class wagon. Oddly, the E-Class doesn't have a license plate on the back, only on the front. But this is an earlier collection, it looks like, because it says 05 instead of 06. Okay, then we also have a C-Class from the 04 collection. Wow, so there's actually 3 years of stuff going on here. Yeah, it does say 04 on the bottom of this. Then we have a G-Wagon 04. Sorry, no focusing there. I'll focus later. And then this SL convertible, which is really cool, from 04, where the roof actually does sink into the body. You can actually pop the roof up here. Let me see if I can do that quickly. Yeah, see? So you can go coupe style or convertible style, like the real deal. I like a convertible style. Okay, so there are some ChoroQ Benzes. Yeah. I'm going to keep both of the A classes because they're totally different from each other. So, yeah, that's what's going to happen there. And let's get our individual coaster so this thing can spin on its own. And let me find a cartoon character. I don't know what this girl is from, some sort of cartoon franchise, but it looks like a car she could drive. Alright, well, this is a really cool Mercedes. I'm happy to get it. Yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and we'll see you in the next ChoroQ video. Take care now. Bye.